हेलो व्यूवर्स, आई एम कल्पना। क्विक रिवीजन की सीरीज में कुछ क्वेश्चंस और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं जो कि चैप्टर 2 पे बेस्ड हैं, प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्विक रिवीजन फॉर एग्जामिनेशन हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज, how is executive of the Indian Union constituted? The executive of the Indian Union consists of the president, vice president, prime minister and the council of ministers. Next question, who is the chief executive authority of the Indian Union? The chief executive authority of the Indian Union is the president, who elected by President of India. The president is elected by an electoral college counting of members of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies of the state of the Indian Union. What is the term of office of the president? The term of office of the president of India is 5 years. What is electoral college? An electoral college consists of the legislative elected members of both the houses of parliament and elected members of the legislative assemblies of the state, including union territories possessing assemblies. Next question, by how many electors should the nomination paper for the prospective president candidates be proposed and seconded? The prospective president candidate is required to get his nomination paper proposed by at least 10 electors and seconded by another 10 electors. Question number 7. Who constitutes the electoral college for the election of the president? The electoral college consists of the elected members of the state legislative assemblies and the elected members of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, who settle the dispute arising in connection with the election of a president. The disputes arising in connection with the election of the president is settled down by the Supreme Court of India. Next question, how is the value of elected members of Vidhan Sabha is worked out? The value of elected members of Vidhan Sabha is worked out by adopting the following formula: total population of the state upon elected members of the Vidhan Sabha into 1000. Into 1000. So next question is, how is the value of elected members of parliament worked out? The value of elected members of parliament is worked out as per the formula. So formula is total voters of all the MLAs upon number of elected members of parliament. What is the security amount of presidential candidate has to deposit? The presidential candidate has to deposit as rupees 15,000 of security while filling his nomination. Who administrator the oath of office to the president? The Chief Justice of India administers the oath of office of the president. What are the emolument of the president? So answer is, the president is paid a monthly salary and also paid monthly pension on the expiry of his term. He gets the annual expenses and rent free official residence, the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next question, who is the 13th president of India? Mr. K.R. Narayanan is the 13th president of India. Suppose the president has resigned, who will take his office in his absence? The vice president of India will take his office in his absence. What is an ordinance. An ordinance is a direction of the command of the authoritative nature issued by the President of India if Parliament is not in session. Next question. When can the President issue ordinance? The President can issue ordinances when the Parliament is not in session and the enactment of law is required. What does the term impeachment mean? Impeachment means. So answer is the President can be removed from office for grave misconduct by the special trial conducted by the Parliament. It is known as impeachment. Whom does President call upon to form the government after the election of Lok Sabha? The President call upon the Prime Minister to form the government after the election of Lok Sabha. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The President appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India. कुछ क्वेश्चंस के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं। पढ़ते रहिए, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।